In today's show, Bitcoin shows a double bullish confluence with the next short-term target of $50,000 in play. That's right. As you can see right here, there's two bullish patterns on the 1 hour chart, which I'll be breaking down for you right here, showing a bullish pennant, which is suggesting a major breakout. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. And also, here's a brilliant quote from Michael Saylor. Bitcoin is engineered to convert your balance sheet from a liability to an asset. It's a million times better than gold. It moves at the speed of light. More than 100 million people are using it now and approaching 1 billion users in 5 years, with millennials leading the way. I'll be breaking all this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the latest from the CEO of Crypto Quant, Ki Jong-ju, who wrote, "You can call me crazy, but I think we'll see $50,000 soon." And checking out the latest from Plan B, the creator of the stock to flow model, he wrote, "Bitcoin on track for $100,000 between April and September." Also checking out the latest wisdom from Max Kaiser. Tesla, MicroStrategy, Bitcoin, all being attacked with naked sell orders by panicky banksters right now, whose weapon is to print more fiat, resulting in new all-time highs for Tesla, MSGT, and Bitcoin. $220,000 in 2021 for Bitcoin in play. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, Bitcoin now targeting $95,000 by the middle of April, which is only 2 months away, according to Analyst, Preston Pysh. That's right, in a new episode of What Bitcoin Did podcast, he predicts $95,000 target in mid-April before it starts to go into some chop. He also updates his latest chart, which I'll be breaking down for you right here. He also says that the chop will likely send Bitcoin back down to $50,000 before resuming its ascent and targeting $150,000 by the end of June. I'll be breaking all this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most all the major altcoins are pumping and in the green. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium Crypto News Alerts every single day, including on my birthday, which it is just like this. And before I kick off today's show, today's episode is brought to you by BlockFi, our sponsor, where you can put your crypto to work. They are the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. You can get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. All you need to do is click the link right below this video in the description. It'll take you here, and click this yellow button which says sign up. It'll redirect you here, and you'll notice the referral code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special bonus. And as you can see right here, Bitcoin pays out a 6% annual percentage yield, and on USDT you can earn up to 9.3%. Now what I love about BlockFi, besides the fact it's easy to use and that there is no hidden fees, they are backed by the biggest names in the industry, including Winklevoss Capital, Fidelity, Morgan Creek, and Coinbase. So what are you waiting for? Click that link right down below and get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more, and let's start stacking those sats, shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. Today is my birthday, so please, the greatest gift that you can give me is not Bitcoin. It's simply just smashing that like and subscribe button right down below this video in the description. I greatly appreciate it. Now check this out. A confluence of two classic technical indicators suggest Bitcoin will hit $50,000 here in the short term. Dubbed as a bull flag and bull pennant, both the patterns represent a period of consolidation after a strong uptrend, except with different structures. For instance, bull flags appear like downward sloping channels wherein an asset moves lower while leaving behind a trail of higher lows and lower lows. Meanwhile, bull pennants look like a symmetrical triangle wherein the price forms higher lows and lower highs until its upper and lower trend lines converge. Both indicators point to a trend continuation, meaning an asset would likely break out to the upside after exiting their ranges. That's right, the breakout's length comes to be as higher as the flagpole's height. An example, the uptrend before the consolidation. So as you can see right here, this is a double bullish confluence, which is definitely a bullish indicator. Bitcoin is forming two bullish patterns on the 1 hour chart, as you can see right here on your screen, with its previous flagpole's length coming at 8,750. Therefore, the indicators note that the next price breakout could take Bitcoin as high as $8,725. And as you can see right here, Bitcoin is currently trading just above 47,000. At the time this was charted, Bitcoin was trading at about 45 Gs. So considering it consolidates further into a pennant pattern, reaching the apex before before suggesting a breakout move, the upside price target would shift towards $53,225 after adding $44,500 and $8,725. Also like to point out, we just had a Bitcoin surge, one of the largest in Bitcoin history, if not the largest, of over an $8,000 gain in one day. And this, my friend, is just the beginning. The same theory holds valid for the bullish flag indicator as shown in this chart. You can see right here on your screen, except its breakout target may vary. So as you can see right here, this shows a bullish flag, which indicates we can break out to the upside. Now, if the retracement goes any deeper than 50%, it may invalidate the entire bullish flag structure, so you have to keep that in mind. Meanwhile, a breakout above the upper trend line could lead to a flight higher with the length potentially equal to the flagpole size of $8,725. The move should accompany a spike in trade volumes and momentum represented via the RSI, known as the relative strength indicator. Now, here for the Bitcoin fundamentals, more reasons to stay bullish on the king of all crypto come from recent events, including Tesla's $1.5 billion Bitcoin acquisition into Bitcoin as an alternative to its cash reserves, as well as Twitter's hopefulness to copy the trade. Many analysts believe that Bitcoin would become a de facto asset in the corporate balance sheets. Quoting Michael Saylor right here, Bitcoin is engineered to convert your balance sheet from a liability to an asset. It's a million times better than gold. It moves at the speed of light. More than 100 million people are using it now and approaching 1 billion users in 5 years, with millennials leading the way. Then we have Ki Zhangzhu, the CEO of blockchain analytics firm CryptoQuant. He also noted a spike in stablecoin deposits across the crypto exchanges. It typically means that traders are loading up on their exchange wallets with dollar peg tokens, so to use them later to purchase cryptos like Bitcoin. Checking out his tweet right here. You can call me crazy, but I think we'll see $50,000 soon. Just got another stablecoins deposit signal, as you can see on your screen right here. Now, I agree 100% that we're likely to see $50,000 here in the short term, but I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And before I break down the latest from Plan B, the creator of the stock to flow model, as well as the latest wisdom from Max Kaiser, as well as Bitcoin now targeting $95,000 by the middle of April, which is only 2 months away, according to crypto analyst Preston Pysh. But let's first take a quick look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin breaking out once again, trading at 47,500 plus, up 4% for the day. We have Ethereum up about 3%, trading at about $1,800. We have Chainlink trading at $28, DOT trading at $25, and Cardano trading at about 91 cents. Now, let's break down the latest from Plan B right here. He says Bitcoin on track for $100,000 between April and September. That's right. Check it out right here. Bitcoin after 2012, 2016, and the 2020 halving. And as you can see, we're that red line right in between the two. And if you're not familiar with the stock to flow and stock to flow X model, it does suggest a $288,000 Bitcoin price potentially by the end of this year. Now, checking out this other tweet right here from Plan B, it shows you stock to flow X, and you can just see the trajectory to the moon, my friend. And checking out the latest wisdom from Max Kaiser, he wrote Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Bitcoin all being attacked with naked sell orders by panicky banksters right now, whose weapon is to print more fiat, resulting in new all-time highs for Tesla, MSGT, and Bitcoin. $220,000 in 2021 for Bitcoin in play. Monetize Descent, monetize Bankster. What Wittery. And if you're not familiar with Max's short-term target, he says 65,000 short-term target is in play, and 220 is his end-of-year target. Now, Max also tweeted, Bitcoin is peace and love. Touche. Fiat money is war and violence. When we go global Bitcoin standard, we'll have only peace and love. When I said this originally, it was hard to believe. Now, many understand. Now, before I break down our next story of the day, Bitcoin now targeting $95,000 by the middle of April, according to crypto analyst Preston Pysh. Let's first take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting at above 1.4 trillion. We hit a new all-time high just yesterday with 212 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and current Bitcoin dominance back on the decline at 61.1%. Now checking out the Bitcoin market cap, sitting at an all-time high of a whopping $863 billion. How long before we reach that epic $1 trillion mark? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. I feel it's going to be very soon. Now checking out the top gainers within the top 100. We have the Graph up 55%, trading at $1.69. IOTA up 51%, trading at $1.19. Icon up about 37%, trading at $1.33. And Engine Coin, ENJ, up 27%, trading at 56 cents. Now checking out the biggest losers within the top 100. We have Binance Coin, which was the biggest gainer yesterday, down 14% today, trading at $120 Whoa, but still up 127% for the week. We have Pancake Swap down 12%, trading at $6.07, but still up 162% for the week. Celsius down 6%, trading at $5.62, and OKB down 5%, trading at just under $9. Now, out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins in particular are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now, checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 93 in extreme greed. Yesterday was a 92, last week an 80, and last month an 84. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And before I break down this bullish $95,000 Bitcoin price prediction within the next 60 days, first I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 690 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. I also have a daily letter for you to subscribe to, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net or just click on this link in the description right down below. Also have some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my blog, which could be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is Crypto News. Yes, and for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day, shall we? Market analyst and prominent podcaster Preston Pysh says Bitcoin is poised to continue its parabolic ascent in a new episode of What Bitcoin Did podcast. Pysh says that Bitcoin will prove critics and naysayers wrong in the coming months, as he believes the leading crypto asset will outperform beyond expectations. That's what I'm talking about. Here are some of the highlights from this exclusive interview he shares. I think it's going to be epic. I think the price between now and mid-April is going to be gangbusters, way more than people are expecting. And then I think you're going to go through some natural chop and volatility from there into the six figures by midsummer into the fall. I think it's going to be fascinating to watch. I can't wait to see the CNBC talking heads still not understand it. Touche. It's going to be fun because everyone's looking at it and they're saying, what is this thing? This doesn't make any sense. The same thing that you've seen with all the people that have been long Tesla and all of your traditional folks that were saying, oh, it's going to die here. It's the same exact lens being applied to Bitcoin, but probably 10x or more. That's right. And as for the exact price of Bitcoin, Pysh refers to a tweet that shows Bitcoin pulling off a steep rise and printing gains of over 106% in the next 2 months. That's right. Checking out his original tweet where he charted this back on August 17th, 2020. He wrote, I'm not sure Wall Street's ready for what comes next. If Plan B stock to flow model continues to be valid, most market participants are accustomed to looking at things in linear terms, not long terms. And as you can see, it just shows the market going absolutely parabolic on a steep vertical, as you can see right here on your screen. Now, he recently just updated this and he wrote, I redrew it, and that's why I'm saying on the chart, whether this happens or not, I have no idea. But the redraw that I just recently posted, I think last week, has the price at $95,000 in mid-April before it starts going into some chop, as you can see right here in this tweet. Update to the August chart. The recent consolidation appears to be subsiding. It was similar to consolidations we have seen historically during bull runs. The light blue lines remain from August. The purple is my updated expectations through Q2 of 2021. And you can just see that parabolic rise looking as sexy as ever. And according to Pysh, the chop will likely send the Bitcoin price back down to $50,000 before resuming its ascent and targeting $150,000 by the end of June. What do you think about Preston Pysh's bullish price predictions? Do you feel we're likely to hit 95,000 within the next 60 days and then mid-year 150,000? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below, and I'll also include the link to this interview so you can listen for yourself. Now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show. Bitcoin shows a double bullish confluence with the next short-term target of $50,000. As I broke down for you right here, you can see the bullish pennants forming on the 1 hour chart, which suggests a massive breakout. I also shared the latest from Ki Chang-yu, the CEO of Crypto Quant, who says, "You can call me crazy, but I think we'll see $50,000 soon." I agree 100%. What are your thoughts? Let me know right down below. Plan B tweeted, "Bitcoin on track for $100,000 between April and September. Let's go." I also shared the latest wisdom from Max Kaiser, who says, "Bitcoin is peace and love. Fiat money is war and violence. When we go global Bitcoin standard, we'll have only peace and love." When I said this originally, it was hard to believe. Now, many understand. That's right. Also in today's episode, I shared that Bitcoin is now targeting $95,000 by the middle of April, according to crypto analyst Preston Pysh, who also says we can hit $150,000 by mid-time this year. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. Also, it's my birthday, so why not show me some birthday love by smashing those buttons and helping spread the good word. And real quick, before I go, I want to give a special shout out to our sponsor, BlockFi, where you can put your crypto to work and get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more for a limited time by clicking the link below this video. In the description, it will take you here. Then click that yellow button that says sign up, which will redirect you here with the referral code already filled out for you to take advantage of this special bonus. Also, I'd like to point out that Bitcoin is currently paying out a 6% annual percentage yield, with USDT paying out a whopping 9.3%. And what I love most about BlockFi, besides the fact it's easy to use, there's no hidden fees and no shenanigans, is that they're backed by the biggest names in the industry, including Winklevoss Capital, Fidelity, Morgan Creek, and Coinbase. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this today. Click the link right down below the video in the description and get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. And let's start stacking those sats. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Deuces.